Hi, it's Katrina from the agency and I'm here at my brand new listing at 12 Skyline Drive, Norman Gardens. Now, dreams do come true at this property. It is 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. You really need to come and have a look at this property. How great is this kitchen and dining area, Jess?
It's absolutely beautiful. It really is seamless living.
And look, it opens up into this brand new plunge pool. It's amazing. If you want to have a look at this property, just give myself, Heather or Jess a call today.